This Gotham Steel Hammered 9.5-inch non-stick frying pan with lid is a great addition to any kitchen. The hammered copper finish looks elegant, and it helps spread heat evenly for perfect cooking. This pan is designed to make your cooking easier and clean up a breeze. It's a fantastic option for everyday meals, and it can even handle induction cooktops. The non-stick surface of this Gotham Steel Hammered 9.5-inch non-stick frying pan is truly impressive. Food slides right off, so you won't need much oil or butter. This makes cooking healthier meals simpler. Cleaning is also super easy because nothing sticks. Just a quick wash, and you are done. Plus, the lid helps trap heat and moisture, which is great for simmering and steaming. For anyone looking for a reliable and stylish pan, the Gotham Steel Hammered 9.5-inch non-stick frying pan is a solid choice. It's durable for daily use, and the non-toxic ceramic coating gives peace of mind. While it might not perform complex culinary feats like a surgery, it handles everyday cooking tasks with ease. This pan could be a thoughtful gift, and you might even find some good deals. Its content and design make it a worthwhile addition to your cookware. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: healthy cooking, no toxic chemicals, induction ready, dishwasher safe, oven safe. To 500 degrees F. Even heat, durable, stylish design, with lid. Cons: handle might get hot, small cooking area, bottom thinner than top, uneven heating possible. Durability concerns raised, might not last long, potential for scratches, cleaning may become hard, quality control issues. Features: Gotham Steel Hammered 9.5-inch, non-stick, frying pans with lid, non-stick with lid, healthy and non-toxic, ceramic pan, for cooking, induction safe, dishwasher safe. This Gotham Steel frying pan is 9.5 inches wide and has a non-stick surface. It comes with a lid. The pan is made with ceramic, which is a healthy and non-toxic material for cooking. It can be used on induction stovetops and is safe to put in the dishwasher. The pan has a copper color. This 9.5-inch Gotham Steel Hammered copper frying pan with a lid is designed for healthy cooking. With its non-toxic, chemical-free ceramic non-stick surface, it's induction-ready and dishwasher-safe, and can even go in the oven up to 500 degrees F. The hammered design aims for even heating and a stylish look, and the lid helps with cooking. However, the cooking area is a bit small. The bottom is thinner than the top, which might cause uneven heating. And there are some concerns about how long it will last. Potential for scratches, cleaning difficulty over time, and occasional quality issues.